Motorcycle riders, beware, your safety is on the line. There's a lot of copycats on the market, so don't settle for less than the EZ Rider motorcycle air suspension from Strutmasters.com. Our system features hydraulic shocks that include height-adjustable air suspension built right in. The complete EZ Rider system allows you to raise and lower the bike at your fingertips. And we don't recycle Corvette shocks like the other guys. EZ Rider shocks are made exclusively for motorcycles, giving you and your passengers the ultimate ride. Our innovative shock design includes a 1-inch rubber bump stop for added safety and comfort when the bike is slammed. The complete system includes an onboard air compressor, easy up toggle switch, pressure gauge, safety dump valve, and pre-installed poly bushings for your specific model. Everything is DOT approved and assembled in North Carolina. Give us a call at 866-597-2397 or log on to the motorcycle page at strutmasters.com.